So good morning, it's day 36. Got all the Soay Sheep over there waiting for their feed. All ready. Don't know where Murphy is. And then we've got Bono there. All the others here waiting. Must be a hungry day today. It's a bit windy today. But it is dry at the moment, but it is windy, so sorry for any noise. So these are a lot more friendly than the others and are a little bit more at ease with people around, stood around them. This boy here has been out running. He was a bit late for dinner, so he came running in. Debbie's just trying to find a ewe. I think it's just got caught, but it's just come running in. But they're all happy. They're all eating. They're all fed. Sorry about the wind. We really do need to invest in a mic, but that'll come in time. I hope you're all enjoying your Christmas festive spirit and your holidays wherever you are in the world. So yeah, all the animals are fed today. Hopefully we'll have some tractor action soon. We should be getting some attachments coming shortly. They're all looking good though. A lot of them are tangled up with bracken by the looks of it, because they've been getting out the wind and out the rain. I'm probably getting chased, ready for mating and tupping. I see a couple of them have got brambles wrapped around them, but trying to catch them to get that off is quite impossible sometimes. They normally just shed it off themselves. But they all look good. Murphy's looking good. Just quick bits of the video of the sheep having some fresh hay. They do like it. And I believe there's one, and there's the other. There's the other pheasant cock, and there's the other one there. But yeah, Nosy's enjoying his hay. Oh yeah. So yeah, see you all soon.